Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is Do or Die. Myself, Girish T. I'm a second year industrial safety engineering student which comes under the mechanical department. So from here, I'm going to take a tour to my campus throughout, which is India's number one NIT, which is the National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. Yes. And I'm going to take you a better tour into this. I'm going to show you everything which is inside, the sports tools, the departments and everything which the person will be liking inside. And just come on, let's go into it. And from here you can understand this is a main entrance of the NIT which you can see over here. There are two sections, this is for in and that is for outside. Please come in. So guys, from here you can see the wonderful place of this NIT and which is the most respected place for me. Why for me personally? It is because the first time when I get into this NIT, this was the first area which I visited. So from here you can see the national flag. See, such a proud moment to be an Indian, to be a student and studying in such a wonderful college known as the National Institute of Technology. Yes, in this video, these are the contents which we will be going through. Yes, the first we will be going through the transportation, then through department and specialization, student life facilities and services. And then we will be going through the events, clubs and associations, hostels and messes, and at last we will be going to the religious worship places inside this NIT Trichy. These are the programs which is being offered by National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. BTech, BArc, MTech, MArc, MSc, MCA, MBA, MA, MS by research and then PhD. So welcome to our first section which is the transportation section. So before going to the transportation section, I congratulate each and every person who got the admission into NIT Trichy. So NIT Trichy is situated adjacent to the national highway which will be moving from Trichy towards the Tanjavur. It is 23 kilometers away from Central Bus Stand. It is 22 kilometers away from Trichy railway station and 20 kilometers away from Trichy International Airport. So while talking regarding the transportation within the campus, what I need to share to you all guys is that the people who got admission into this NIT, they are only allowed to use bicycles. No other engine powered vehicles are allowed. But regarding the transportation for the PhD scholars, only PhD scholars and the professors are allowed to take the motorcycles over here. So the next what I need to share you is regarding the college bus. So each and every day the institution is providing college bus facilities from our institution, from our NIT Trichy towards the Trichy Central Railway Station, which is a good kind of transportation. So people who will be moving towards your homes, who need to move to other places, who need for traveling, it is much easier for them to go in this bus which will be cost just 10 rupees. Within just 10 rupees you will be taken from inside this NIT Trichy towards the railway station. And the second comes the cab which will be carrying you towards the NIT. It is having a fixed route throughout the NIT Trichy. So there will be charged, I guess, a few 10 or 15 rupees being charged, which will take you to all the departments, all the areas and all other. So behind me you can see the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Under this Mechanical Engineering department, they are providing BTech in Mechanical Engineering, MTech in Industrial Safety Engineering, Thermal Power Engineering, and also new course is being introduced in this year 2026, which is Design Engineering. And also they are providing MS by research and PhD programs. Hello, this is a Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. In this engineering department, they are providing UG of Metallurgical Engineering as their UG program and Welding, Material Science and Industrial Metallurgy as their PG programs. And also they are providing PhDs in their respective streams. So this is the Electrical and Electronics department. In this department, they are providing BTech in Electrical and Electronics, MTech in Power Systems and also MTech in Power Electronics. And also they are providing different research programs like MS and PhD. So here you can see the Civil Engineering department. Under Civil Engineering department, they are providing BTech in Civil Engineering and MTech in Structural Engineering, Transportation Engineering and Management, Environmental Engineering, Construction Technology and Management, and the last comes the Geotechnical Engineering. And also they are providing the research programs like MS and PhD. Hello, so this is the department. Here you can see the Instrumentation and Control Engineering department. Under this department, they are providing courses in BTech in Instrumentation and Control Engineering. They are providing the MTech in Instrumentation Automation and MTech in process control and instrumentation. And also they are providing research programs like MS and PhD programs. Here you can see the Department of Computer Application. So under Computer Application Department, the department is providing Master of Computer Application, which is the MCA. And they are also providing MTech in Data Analytics. This is a 2-year postgraduate course. And they are providing MSc in Computer Science. So this is the Department of Mathematics. So under this mathematical department, they are providing MSc in Mathematics. They are providing Integrated Teacher Educational Program, ITEP, which is the BSc B.Ed. And also they are providing the PhD programs. Here you can see the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Under this department, they are providing 4-year BTech program in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and also they are providing MTech in 2 programs which are the Communication Systems and the VLSI Systems. And also they are providing research programs like MS and PhD. Here you can see the Department of Production Engineering. And this Production Engineering, they are providing BTech in Production Engineering. They are providing Masters, MTech in Manufacturing Technology, and also they are providing MTech in Industrial Engineering and Management. They are also providing research programs like MS and PhD. So behind me you can see the Computer Science and Engineering department. Under this department, they are providing BTech in Computer Science Engineering, MTech in Computer Science and Engineering, MSc in Computer Science, and also they are providing MS by Research and PhD under relevant streams. This is the Department of Management Studies. Here they are providing 2 programs, which is the MBA and the PhD. Hi. So this is the Department of Physics. So under this department, they are providing MSc in Physics, MTech in Non-Destructive Testing, BSc B.Ed in Physics, and PhD programs. So the next comes the Chemical Engineering department. So under Chemical Engineering department, they are providing BTech in Chemical Engineering, MTech in Chemical Engineering, MTech in Process Control and Instrumentation, and also PhD and MS by Research. The next is the Architecture department. So under Architecture department, they are providing 2 courses, which is the BArch and the MArch. So the next is the Department of Chemistry. So under this Chemistry department, they are providing MSc in Chemistry and PhD programs. So next is the Department of Energy and Environment. So under this department, they are providing MTech in Energy Engineering and PhD programs. So here you can see the Department of Humanities and Social Science. So under this department, they are providing MA English and PhD programs. So the next content which we will be going through is the student life, facilities and services. Behind me you can see the Central Library, which is one of the most beautiful place in NIT. Come, let me take you inside. Please come. So here you can see this is the interior of the library. So from here, let me take you to the shopping center area and show you some of the amenities which are being present over there. So this is the main area where all the amenities are present. Behind me you can see the post office, and come, let me show you each and every places inside here. So here behind me you can see the SBI bank. Near to is an ATM is there, so people you can take money. So you can see near to the SBI bank we have the 2K market. Come, let's go inside and see what all are the products over there. See the snacks, biscuits and everything. Then this section is for stationeries, essentials. All you need for studying is being present over here. So now let's go to the other section where we are having the Anjapar restaurant and some of the stationeries. Please come. So the next thing regarding this is that whenever you buy something like the products from Amazon, Flipkart or any other courier services, the courier will be reaching to this stationery shop where you should go and collect it from here. The Akka will be calling you and that's all. Here you can see the tailoring shop. Here is a fresh juice shop. So now we are going inside the Anjapar restaurant, which is a wonderful restaurant. Yeah, it's really good. You will be getting cool food over here. This is the interior of this Anjapar. So after the Anjapar, I will be showing you the hospital of NIT Trichy. So inside the campus, wherever you go, have a lock and lock your cycle. Yes. So over here you can see the hospital. Come, let's go inside. I will be showing you the interior of the hospital and then quickly we will be returning back. Here you can see this is the interior of the hospitals. So behind me you can see the third eye. The name is third eye. The building is of computer support group. So many of the online exams will be going inside this. So come, let me show you the logos, the lecture hall and the octagon. So behind me you can see the logos, which is a lecture hall in which all the MTech people will be having classes over here. Next is the octagon, which is behind me is the computer center. Come, let's go inside and I will show you the facilities which are available. Okay, sir. Come, let's go inside and I'll show you the facilities. So here it should be very silent. You can see the computer people are using. I'm not willing to disturb them. Come, let's go. So over there you can see the bond hall in which all kind of cultural programs are being conducted. So over here you can see the most beautiful building of this NIT. It is named the Orion. So here you can see the Orion building in which the BTech people will be having their classes over here. Come, let's go to the inside and I will be showing you the interior of this Orion building. So this is the interior of the Orion building where you can see this is the corridors. And now let's go into the classroom. Here you can see this is a classroom in which the lecture will be taken by the professors to the students. This is the guest house. So if your family or any other friends are coming to visit NIT, so they can stay over here. So in our next content, we will be going through the events. So these are the events which are being conducted by this NIT Trichy. So here you can see the clubs and associations. So behind me you can see the Sapphire hostel. Likewise this hostel, each hostel are similar. So they will be having the parking slot on the right and left of the hostel. So these are the hostels which are present in NIT Trichy. Behind me you can see the mess known as Mega Mess 1. So here are the messes which are present in NIT Trichy. So behind me you can see the temple, church and the masjid.